How about a Mopar here at Unique Specialty and Classics? This one's a 1970 Plymouth Cuda, two-door hardtop. Yes, real deal Cuda. Actually, numbers matching 383, super commando underneath the hood. 4-speed manual transmission. It'll actually come with Galen Govier's paperwork. And you'll see that in the still pictures, and I'm going to tell you where to check those still pictures out in just a bit. Original California built car, Los Angeles to be exact. Let's take a look at the front grille, headlights. As you can see, equipped with the sport hood and hood pins. Lemon Twist, paint code FY1. All right, all those still pics, check them out, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on the Barracuda rally wheels. BF Goodrich radial TAs. You can see paint has a nice shine to it. In with the still pictures, you're also going to see the data plate or fender tag decoded, so you can see exactly how this car was equipped. X9 black interior, and does have the V1X black vinyl roof. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see it's really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. You may find an imperfection here or there, or maybe just a little touch up or a pebble chip, what have you, but overall, great looking car. This is one that are gonna take home some trophies at your local car shows, turn some heads, sounds good, looks good, bucket seats, pistol grip shifter, seat belts intact front and rear. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run, take a little closer look at that interior. Vinyl roof is in good shape, interior is in nice shape. I know I had the AM radio working in there. Like I said, we'll check that out a little closer here in a bit. Matte black wing, love the looks of the wing on this car. Of course, dual exhaust. This one checked out very well in our service department. Does have a new temp sender. Brakes are 80% in the front, 85% in the rear. Technician said it broke nice and straight, didn't pull. It's actually one of 4,595 that were 383 hardtops built in 1970. Obviously, when you get down to the 4-speed manual transmission, it gets to be one of a lot less. Some made with 3 speeds and a lot made with automatics. Coming out of long-term ownership, gentleman had this car for close to 25 years. Only reason he is parting with it is he needs the space. Otherwise, he stated he wouldn't be selling it. As we look up and down the driver's side, you can see again, paint has a nice shine to it. Tell you what, if you like Mopars, you like Cudas, like muscle cars in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done online or right up our showroom floor. All right, a little closer look at the interiors, the door panels. Vinyl seats, I've not noticed any rips, tears, holes. Really much wear in the seats, front door, rear. Headliner was looking good. See, it still has the shoulder belts. Dash looks good. Let's fire it up. It does have a little aftermarket tack that has been added there, as you can see. .383 fires right off. There you can hear the radio working, so AM radio is working.
Suicide prevention. And
turn that off for now. Tack does work. That was a cold start. I wouldn't expect temp gauge to be up. You can see alternator gauge, fuel gauge. Door closes nicely, and listen to this. That's a nice sounding car. All right, let's slip up to the front. I'm gonna pause this a second. Let me get these hood pins out. We'll pop this hood, check out the engine bay, and then stick around just a little bit longer. Jason's gonna take this one for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. All right, there's a good look at the underside of the hood and hood liner. I did want to point out, notice there is a little stress crack, kind of right there in that filler panel. And a couple real small right there, but there it is. 383 Super Commando V8, that Torker intake manifold, battery disconnect when it's in between drives or in storage. Does look like a little newer master cylinder back here also. And you'll see the engine bay from every angle in the still pictures, as well as the underside, interior, trunk, car from every angle. And all those still pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com, 507-386-1726, number to call, 1970 Plymouth Cuda, real deal, numbers matching, 383. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Oh, that is fantastic.
Jesus. Running on empty? Fuel up with us, George and Jeremy on Motorhood.
Jesus.
Tune in on YouTube where we dive into cars.
Who cares if it's hard on gas?
Our showroom.
One of 114.
And beyond. New episodes every week. Only on Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1970 Plymouth Barracuda, or as they called it in 1970, Cuda. Much cooler. In yellow, with a black interior. 4-speed on the floor. Bucket seats. We're ready to rock in this car. Very nice acceleration, iconic muscle car performance from this car. The fuel gauge is reading 1/8 of a tank, the temperature gauge up on 1/3 of the way up. The volts are charging over halfway. I've got a little slack in the steering, nothing excessive. Horn works. Tech from SunPro has been added over on the right side. That's working. Guess what else works?
All sorts of funny things, but like...
Looks like the original radio. Working well. Chrysler solid state, it says on it. The blower motor also blows air in this car. Very comfortable bucket seats. Good looking interior. We've got a clean headliner, carpet. Door panels looking good. Clutch feels the way it should. Shifting is easy. We got a pistol grip shifter. Exactly what you want if you've got a Mopar. Hood pins out on that hood with scoops in the hood as well. And always fun to push the throttle. Find all the pictures of this Cuda at uniqueclassiccars.com.